Welcome to MotorMav. Today, we will discuss all the Dodge Charger PCM problems and the solutions. So, let's begin. Problem number 1, car not starting. And the reason can be an imbalanced ratio of fuel to air. For this problem, you can fix it with a simple replacement or reset. Problem number 2, emission test failure. And the reason can be faulty PCM or ECM. If it's a PCM or ECM failure, it's good news. Because replacing your PCM is much more inexpensive than getting a catalytic converter. Problem number 3, mileage issue. And the reason can be faulty TCM or ECM. For this problem, replacing the ECM and TCM will fix the problem. But if it's not those, there will likely be a leak somewhere. Take your charger to the mechanic for a better fixing result. Problem number 4, poor transmission. Here, the reason can be PCM failure. For the Dodge 2012, a simple PCM reset may fix the problem. Yet, a reset might not be enough for some. For this, you may have to replace the PCM, which will most likely improve the poor transmission in your vehicle. But, if replacing the PCM does not work, you have to check other components. Finally, problem number 5, erratic shifting. The reason can be damaged circuits in PCM. For this, we recommend you go to a mechanic as soon as possible to fix this problem. Thanks for watching our video. Visit our page MotorMav to read this blog in detail. And do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.